If you often feel like you have to keep everything together to stay strong, to be there for everyone, your thyroid might be carrying that energy for you. You see, the thyroid sits right here in the throat area, a space connected with expression, your voice, your truth. When we keep or silence what we really feel, or constantly push ourselves to do more, this area becomes energetically tense, and the body starts responding to that. Hello my queens, I am Lichani and welcome to my channel. You might find yourself constantly alert, anticipating other people's needs, being afraid to slow down because you feel like you need to keep everything from falling apart. That hypervigilance keeps your nervous system in fight and flight mode, and when that happens, the thyroid begins to mirror that inner speed. It's like your body is saying, we have to stay alert. We cannot stop. And over time, the thyroid keeps on producing more of that hormone to keep up with that pace. Even when you are exhausted, your body can't stop. It has to keep on going. It has to stay alert. So instead of only asking, what's wrong with my thyroid? Maybe ask yourself truthfully, where in my life do I feel I cannot rest? Where in my life do I feel I have to stay on? Sometimes healing begins with acknowledging that truth, having that awareness. Just noticing it, not trying to fix it, just a simple observation. Here is one simple practice you can do whenever you feel yourself starting to race, whenever you feel yourself starting to run emotionally, when you feel yourself, that pace picking up, whether in your mind or emotionally. Gently place your hand on your throat like this. Then take a nice deep breath in through your nose and exhale with the pursed lips through your mouth. You can repeat this practice anywhere, anytime, as often as you need to. That simple truth telling, that simple awareness, even if it's done silently, it begins to balance both your nervous system as well as your thyroid. All it takes is awareness and gentle practice. Remember, whenever you're practicing, you must just observe. Don't pressure yourself for any results. Whatever results that you feel after any small practice, you just notice without it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.